Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to try this chocolate here that I have. It's the Scorzette di Arancia Candite. I don't know how to pronounce this. It is from Italy. This chocolate was from my mom's friend. So yeah, product of Italy. I really don't know how to pronounce the name. And there's a person right here. I don't know if he is the maker of this chocolate, but he's Gianni Festa Mastro Dolciero. Okay, but here in the box you will see orange and the chocolate. So I think these are chocolate strips, or I mean orange, sliced oranges with chocolate covered orange. Is that right? Okay, but this how it looks like. This is the packaging in a plastic kind of container, and yeah, it's actually orange strips. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! And this is how it looks like. I think my mom already opened it. I think she tried it as well. So let me show you. It's just like shape of a pretzel, and there you will see the orange inside. It's soft. It's dark chocolate actually, and it tastes orange. It's dark chocolate, so it's not sweet. That's good. Are you a fan of chocolate? I mean fruits with chocolate, or chocolate fruits covered with chocolate? I'm not really a fan, but I can eat fruits with chocolate. This one is good. I like it. So I don't know where he bought this, but it's from Italy. There, look. You will see the orange inside. Interesting. So yeah, if you've tried this, please comment down below if you enjoyed it, because I'm enjoying it. It's not sweet because the chocolate is dark chocolate. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.